What's up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung official teaser trailer ng book 2 ng isa sa mga successful na serye ng ABS-CBN Studios at ito yung High Street na yung book 2 ng ano yun? I forgot the original one. Basta yun. High Street ang bagong title nito. So, pinagbibitan pa rin ng mga original cast like Andrea Periantes, Kyle Echeverri ata, if I'm not mistaken, and si Juan Carlos Dabajo, diba? So, with no further ado, papanoorin natin yung official teaser trailer at na maybe ko yung opinion ko on the said trailer. So, let's go!
Hi, it's me, Skylove Cruz, and ang dami ng updates since senior high.
Senior high.
After 7 months after senior high graduation, marami nang nagbago kay Roxy.
Kailangan lang kong fill-upan.
Ano ginagawa mo dito? Akala ko ba ayos ka na? Hindi kita kukulitin. Wala kang obligasyon. Okay na yun.
I'm telling you, I will be there for our baby. Nabalikan ko ang anak natin. Nabalikan kita. Can I have some more, please?
Just shut up. Go.
2 years after, sinasanya naman ang nagkaroon ng matinding problema.
The perfect dad was nothing but a sham. They took everything from us. Wala na akong mapupuntahan.
Si Gino naman, bukod sa pagkuha ng law, siya ang nagbabayad sa mga kasalanan ng pamilya nila.
They finally decided to shut down Northford.
This is William Acosta's legacy. Criminal cases against her. Mabuti na yung mabura lahat ng kasamaan.
Mawawala na yung Northford, pero ako hindi kita papabayaan.
Pero hindi lahat tragedy. Buong college life, happy pa rin sina Tim at Poch.
Ano to? Akala ko baka kain tayo sa labas.
Ano ba? Siyempre pinagandaan ko yung magna cum laude ko.
Kamusta yung audition mo kanina? Usual. You'll call us. We'll call you. Okay lang yan. Proud na proud. Din ako sa'yo.
At ako naman, mag-graduate na ng college. Magiging journalist na ako.
At baka sakali akong makita ka dito tapos di ako nagkamali.
Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman. Kakapasok lang ng law school. I'm sorry sa lahat ng mga kasalanan ginawa ng tatay ko.
Sino, hindi mo kailangan bumawi para sa kasalanan hindi naman ikaw may gawa.
You hurt me over and over again. Enough! Be gone from my life, Sky!
Yan ang happening sa amin in the last 4 years.
This May, the hit TV series is back.
We have to bring all these things para komportable ang papa mo.
He will go to prison. Doon siya mabubulok.
Kaya mo talagang iwan lang siya at pabayaan?
Dadalaw-dalaw ka? The nerve! You killed Dad!
Sisi, nakita ko nandito sa taas. Kailangan ko siya makaharap.
Every truth by consequence.
Go! Sis! Sis! Sandali!
Welcome to your new playground. High Street. Ngayong May 13 na, 9:30 p.m.
Okay, ito yung napanood natin yung official teaser trailer ng High Street, yung second book or second season ng sikat na serye ng ABS-CBN Studios na Senior High na pinagbibilaan ni Andrea Periantes, Juan Carlos Dabajo, and others. I forgot the names. So, yun. Doon, base doon sa teaser trailer, it looks good and lumayo na to sila sa character nila na as students and they were already nasa station ng parang outside school na, so ganun ang magiging buhay nila and so mas mature yung characters nila dito, mas mature yung roles nila and yun, maganda from being student to mga mature people ng mga involved dito and I'm happy na nagkaroon ng season 2 to at hindi na ginawa ng ABS-CBN na yung parang dire-diretso yung kwento niya. Pinuto na nila at agad doon bagong storyline, same character, same actors, diba? So yun, ang ganda and I'm happy na ganito yung tinatagbo ng serye ng ABS-CBN. Sa performance, no doubt, ang gagaling ng mga young actors and actresses na to. led by Andrea and Juan Carlos. Honestly, sobrang parang discovery malaking big discovery si Juan Carlos because he's very good. I already saw him in sa yung movie na Ako Si Noy. He's very good there, and dito pinatunayan niya na hindi lang siya singer but she is also an actor, diba? Andrea, wala, no doubt about it, isa sa mga magagaling na young actress ng ABS-CBN. Yung couple doon na K-couples, galing, cute tingnan nila. Then, yun lang, sa storyline, hindi pa tayo sure kung ano yung magiging storyline. Pero, meron na tayong hint about it, diba? Parang, they will tackle life after school, diba? Ano pa, yung buong teaser, looks good, maganda yung cinematography niya, maganda yung, as in, even the shots, maganda. So far, so good. I'm very happy for this, and it gives me excitement na mapanood ito soon. May 30 nga ipapalabas. So I'm excited to see this series kasi nga maganda yung pinakita to sa teaser, and soon sa official teaser trailer rin definitely maganda rin may papakita. So teaser pa lang, I can say ang ganda-ganda ng pinakita nila, and hopefully kapag pinalabas na to sa TV, maganda yung kakalabasan niya. Katulad nung kinalabasan nung senior high, di ba? Na naka-stick lang sila to storyline mismo, at hindi na nila hinayang dumaki pa o humaba pa, di ba? So yun. So good job ABS-CBN Studio for this kind of series na sumusunod na kayo sa style ng mga K-drama at mga Hollywood series, TV series, di ba, na short lang pero humahab na, pero nahahati by season, di ba? So yun. So congrats advance yung pag-congrats ko sa ABS-CBN because of this wonderful series. So yun, kung yung mga Quizmates nakustuhan nyo ba yung teaser trailer ng Highest Rate, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nakustuhan nyo na binigay kong opinion at reaction regarding this teaser trailer, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba at babasahin ko lang yung mga comments nyo, and I will try to interact with you guys. Kung kailangan mag-react talaga, mag-react ako sa inyo. So before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. The Alan Ski Show, ang pinagtalaga channel, Probably Bromdy Vlogs, Tamat ng People Presents. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.